I'm doing the same.
I'm actually 10, so I don't know if that's illegal.
Nah, whatever. As long as
It's
I
fine.
can count to the number, I think it's fine. Down, 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 down. Flumsy has ass cancer. My ass smells like applesauce. Joo-hoo! Hi!
Hi, bro. Do you want to be friends?
Hell no! You're gonna die if you stay around, boy.
You don't want to be my friend?
No, I'm gonna eat your ass, boy. Oh my god. Hello. Oh!
No!
I can see you running from me, boy!
No, you can't.
Stop running, Jew! Got to eat you! Oh, Jew! Where'd you go? Uh-oh. I totally saw you. Ah, Perry the Platypus. What a surprise. Perry the Platypus, I see you! Nom 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 nom! Perry the Platypus! Nom 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 nom!
Do not scare me.
Perry the Platypus, come down here! Ah, yeah! What the fuck did you say to me? Perry the Platypus, what the fuck? Ah! What? Oh my god.
What's it?
Oh my god.
That was a fast
Whoa!
That was loud, Perry the Platypus. Perry the Platypus, what are you doing in my daughter's underwear drawer?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
You know where the car is? Do you know
No.
where the car is?
Here, look at me. Go
Yeah.
that way till you hit the wall, follow the wall till you see the headlights.
Thanks.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, what's up, bro? I was looking for the car for ages.
Oh, hi. Oh, shit.
Hey, the car is here. If you have a single wheel, that's all you need. The car is here if you want to follow me.
One wheel?
Do you have a wheel?
I don't have
just
one.
one wheel.
I'm looking for one.
Oh, shit.
Oh.
Well, if you're looking for a wheel, try and look along the sides of the road. Oh, shit,
fuck.
I did not mean to. Well, we're fucked. I know where the car is.
Let's go. Turn off your flashlight. You can
Okay.
see us.
There's no one near us. I can turn it on. Was the car repaired or do you have a wheel?
I have a wheel.
Okay. Okay, we did. Let's go. Let's give the others a chance to get to the car.
Yeah, I should wait till 5 minutes and then we'll go. Because the guy can't get us out of the car, can he?
Every time a person comes, another 30 seconds is added to the rest of the people's time limit.
Oh,
Oh,
shit.
what's up, bro? Oh, I'm getting
Oh,
called.
there we go. Doom. Take that, bitch. Ora me, more like ora loser.